See, it is a very cowardly act by the terrorists, and it is all the we condone such acts and we condemn such acts. And the people of the country should stand united and fight this terror. And we all are united. And all my condolences with the families which have suffered in this attack and the disease. And this is an occasion we all have to rise up and citizens show that India is united and not let these terrorists get away with what they want with their objectives. So my appeal to all the people of India is to stay united and stand by the country, and I'm sure that we will give a befitting reply to the terrorists and external forces who are trying to destabilize the country. See, the final solution is Pakistan should stop interfering in India's affairs and stop the cross-border terrorism.